Alright, we got a bonus on Bills and Trios at $4 max bet. Konami slot. Alright, let's do it. It's been a while I played this game. Yeah, I don't want to have the flare on the screen right there, so can't move here. Come on. Nothing. Last spin. Oh, this is horrible. $44. Bad bonus. Let's do a backup spins. Alright. Guys, we got a bonus on the Awesome, I love this game. Hey guys, got a bonus on the Dragon Legend Aqua Gem. I just like this slot here. $5 bets. And we got Mini. Mini is $15. Alright, let's do it. Awesome. 250 for the upgrades. Oh no, last spin, drop me anything. No, oh, I gotta upgrade. Come on, big number please. $5. Okay. Small win. $70. Oh, not too shabby. Alright, backup spins. Okay. Hey guys, we got a bonus on the Dragon Legends Fire Gems at $5 bets. I highlight the slot. Alright, let's do it. Over here. Oh, $30. Let's see if we can get it. Oh no, I got nothing. Come on, anything. Wow. That is so painful to watch. $45. Oh my gosh. It's getting worse. Backup spins. It's getting worse. Alright, we got a bonus again. Hopefully this one pays better. Let's go. Thank you. Mini is $15. Oh, that's a upgrade. $250, of course. Lowest number. Do it again. Awesome. Oh, nice. So we got an upgrade over here. Come on, big number, please. Not you again. Thank you. It's getting bigger. We need 2 right here. That would be really nice. $50 and $30 on top. Let's see. This is the last spin. Anything? No. That's it. I think it's better than the last one. At least the last one was paying $45. Oh, that was $100. Oh my gosh. If we can get it, that would be nice. Okay, $95. Backup spins. Okay. Hey guys, we got a bonus on Super Wheel Mania Link Colossal Cats at $5 bets. Alright, let's do it. Never tried this before, so I think we need to get a 6 coin. Right. So far it pays 35.20. Almost retrigger. 3 spins left. Yes, we got it. Awesome. Awesome. $10. That's great. I don't know what that means. I guess you get to go spin that thing there. I think. Ah, last spin, come on. Awesome. We got 2 actually. Get 1 more. Thank you. Ah, come on. Awesome. Wow, this is great. What happened if I fill it out? Do I get a grand? Oh no. Nobody knows. Do it. I think you want to do it. Come on. Give it to me. Come on. Ah, that drama. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. No. Alright, so we get the spins. The minimum is $20. Major is fine. Major is $1,200 if I got major. That'll be jackpot. Alright, $40. Let's do it again. $100 is great. Minor is 500. $250. Awesome. Oh, 322. Oh, we are still in the free games. 2 spins left. Can we get it again? This is great. Come on. Of course, last spin. Alright, nothing. $334.40. That is awesome. Colossal cats. Awesome. Alright, backup spins. Cool. Awesome.
Everything changes.